We are at the World of Coffee Convention in San Diego.
We are representing Synesso with these amazing machines that are behind me.
Synesso is by far the best thing we've ever put our hands on as far as espresso machines go.
I love working with Synesso.
The feature set is really relevant to specialty coffee.
They're very easy to work with. They're very easy to dial in.
The quality of our coffee is enhanced because of what we can do with that machine.
It's really designed for a very busy, traditional top-end coffee shop.
Aesthetically, they're just gorgeous, but also they have some really special features that really nobody else has, such as the double insulated steam wands, which was like a major game changer.
What I like about Synesso is the innovation.
That is the first machine to perfect pressure profiling and also water temperature stability.
What makes this amazing is it is a workhorse. It can be used in any cafe around the world. It has the flexibility to perform with multiple grinders, multiple profiles. Each group head can be independent from one another.
I really appreciate the made in Seattle element of the Synesso brand. It's iconic in the area, really emblematic of American manufacturing and engineering.
From being on the technical side of things, they're very easy to work on, troubleshoot.
Every machine built is built with the barista in mind, but also the technician.
I've been a technician for about 5 years, so we do work on certain preferred brands, Synesso definitely being one of them. They think about their techs when they're putting things together.
Every machine is set up to be installed easily, to be maintained easily, and also just be consistent and reliable for the barista.
Which keeps things easier for us as well as our customers.
Great support, great people, great machines.
It's the last machine that you'll ever need.